Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a resume in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Canva app. Here it's going to load and then open up in the home menu where we have our projects. For now we have to select the plus icon in the bottom bar to create a new one. Then in this list, if we scroll down a little bit, we find resume. We tap on it, and then the app is going to create a new file with the format of a resume, where we can start to type in the things that we want to enter. And here we have some templates, some styles that we can apply, and yeah. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.